Listen, it's a sad reality that 60% of nursing home elders receive no personal visitors. But thanks to Bessie's Hope, many of those elders are no longer forgotten. This local nonprofit works with at-risk youth who serve as volunteers to cultivate relationships with the elders. And with more on this truly amazing organization is our friend Linda Holloway, and she is the co-founder and director of Bessie's Hope. It's always good to see you.
It's great to be on here.
You have such a big, caring heart. I absolutely love what you do. Tell me more about Bessie's Hope and how it works.
Okay, we do work with a couple of thousand kids every year, and we serve a couple thousand elders every year. And we provide the education and training so that they're prepared and they're equipped with communication tools.
Yeah.
We also train and educate adults and families and adult groups so that they can adopt those people in that horrible statistic that you mentioned.
Right.
And the reason we do the education and the training for all volunteers is so that they can have a really comfortable and meaningful interaction with elders of all levels of cognitive function, including advanced Alzheimer's.
Oh, wow. And that's, you know, sometimes that's all a person needs is just a little communication or someone to pay attention to them, and it brightens up their whole day.
The touch.
Yeah, just the touch is huge. You're absolutely right. And I understand this is a personal connection for you because your grandmother was named Bessie.
Yes, she was.
Oh, there
yes.
she is. Is that
there
Grandma?
There she is. There's Granny. Yes.
So is that why you decided to start Bessie's Hope?
Yes, because I spent a lot of time with her in the nursing home in Texas, and I wound up bringing her here for the last 2 years of her life. But I saw while doing this, I really saw that statistic, and back then it was even worse. Maybe it was just Texas, but it's getting a little bit better. However, I think it's still unconscionable that so many people just say, okay, they're in a place now, they have food, they have shelter, they have people to talk to, especially if they have dementia. It's like they don't know, but that's not true.
That's not true, yeah.
No, there's an energy and a familiarity that's so missing.
They were there for you when you were young. You need to be there for them as they get older because it's tough.
Yeah.
Now, you say this program, let's talk about the impact, because you say many at-risk youth are involved as volunteers. So how does this impact them?
Oh my goodness. A lot of them also are at residential treatment centers for teenagers who've already been in trouble or they have behavioral issues. They just turn their lives around because for the first time in their lives, they feel valued and needed by somebody. And so the relationships that bond are so deeply planted within the core of each being, the elder and the youth, because we tell the youth, you know, you're going to make these people feel valuable again because they feel worthless.
Right.
They have no purpose. So when the kids leave, so often they say, you said this was all about them, but I think it's about me. I feel great.
Yeah, it's growing, it's changing and becoming a better person in life.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
They say that all the time. I feel so much better about myself. And one guy, 18-year-old, said that his grandpartner, that's what we call him at Bessie's Hope, my grandpartner helped me have goals like finishing high school. Because I don't care. If nobody else cares, it's like, I don't care.
Yeah, absolutely. And you have two social epidemics that you're really focusing on. Like we said, the bullying among the youth and also ageism.
Yes. And my co-founder actually spoke with two of the leading preeminent experts in the field, the bullying epidemic. And they were explaining that the thing that bullies do not have is compassion. And you can't study about it. You can't have somebody lecture you on it. You have to internalize it and experience it firsthand. And so they both agreed that Bessie's Hope definitely provides this opportunity. And those kids can't bully if they have compassion.
Right.
And so we see it day after day with the compassion and the empathy and respect that they have for the elders. They change their behavior. Especially toward adults in authority. It's not just there while they're in the nursing home.
They feel appreciated.
They feel appreciated.
So they're going to show appreciation of others. Talk about the big fundraiser you have coming up.
And well, that's a 15th annual Bowl-A-Rama for all ages, 2 to 102. And it doesn't matter how you bowl. If you've never held a bowling ball or if you bowl turkeys all the time, everybody loves it. It's on November the 15th, and it's very important to us because it's our only real fundraiser for the second half of the year. And so it's 2 hours of bowling, pizza, beverages, goodie bags, prizes, awards, lots of laughter. And if people can't come to bowl, they can also sponsor a team, because we're still seeking sponsors, and they go to our website at bessieshope.org and sign up, because you do have to register early. So you can sign up to bowl, reserve your lane, or you can sponsor a team.
Now, is the Bowl-A-Rama November 10th?
November 10th.
Okay, I just want to make sure we had that right. So November 10th, and they can just go onto the website to sponsor a team or to register to show up?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure seeing you again. You do
Thank
such
you.
great good for our community. You can help Bessie's Hope continue to do their amazing work. Come out to the 15th annual Bowl-A-Rama fundraiser on November 10th. Whether you're a bowling pro or a beginner, there will be fun and prizes for everyone. There are 3 locations to choose from: Monaco Lanes at Monaco and Leetsdale, Littleton Lanes at C470 and South University, and Brunswick Zone Westminster Lanes at 92nd and Harlan. Check-in is at 12:30 p.m. and bowling starts at 1:30 p.m. You must register in advance, and if you can't be at the event in person, you can also sponsor a team. Find all the details online at bessieshope.org or call them at 303-830-9037.